Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I'm Najdi, and today I would like to present my industrial training presentation. First and foremost, the introduction of the company background. The company I intern for is named TCT Builders Sdn Berhad. This company was founded by Mr. Tan Sian Chi on 2010. The address of this company is at Taman Mutiara Sri Rambayan Bukit Tajam Prai. This company is established as a contractor and doing scope of work such as housing and residential project, factory project, high-rise project, renovation and also extension work. This company also does various structural work, architecture works and masonry work, and so on. Okay, summary for each week I was interned there. First, on the week first, starting with self-report and internship at the project site in Kamunting, and have a briefing with site supervisor, introduce to the site workers, study the drawing plan, get involved in inspection, monitor the work, which is such as installation of homework, installation of reinforcement bar, and monitor the concrete work. We also get opportunity to went to batching plant to do some monitor slump test for concrete that we ordered. For the second week, we I learned to start monitor the installation of formwork, steel work, drilling process, and explosive compound. This is the explosion is the something new that I get to learn, which I will be taught in UiTM, where the workers need to clear out the site area, which is a rocky hillside. They use explosive compound, which need to be drilled 10 feet hole and put explosive compound in the holes. Then they will detonate it to create crack. Then excavator with a blower will crack the hills and flatten up. Another work is sanitary piping, and also do some tasks such as calculate the volume of concrete needed for concreting. For week 3, we learn to monitor work from ground leveling slab, monitor work for installation reinforcement bar, get involved with inspection again, being asked by supervisor to calculate again the amount of concrete for the next unit, which is unit 4 to 6, monitor the concrete work, and we also went to batching plant again to take the slump test reading. Week 5, we learn to monitor the process of soil leveling slab using the theodolite, using the compactor machine, monitor the process of stockpiling subgrade and backfilling process using excavator, monitor the work, which is installation of work, installation of reinforcement bar, backfilling process, completion process, steel work, and we also assigned to calculate the volume of concrete for the next shop lot. On week 6, then to monitor workers to prepare the formwork of column, backfilling process, concrete work, stockpiling process, removal of formwork, the steel work, and also monitor the work of laying down the crusher run before completing the slab. For the second last week, which is week 7, then we monitor the process of laying down the crusher run on the next job lot, installation of formwork, installation of steel work, reinforcement, plastic membrane. Plastic membrane is used on top of the crusher run instead of using Lincoln. Our site using plastic membrane to avoid water from penetrating into the lower ground. We use then monitor the compaction process, get involved in inspection, reinforcement bar, monitor the concrete work, beam ground from short house 8 to 10, and also monitor the installation of the RC structure. On week 8, continue the monitoring work, such as monitor the process laying run, steel work installation of reinforcement bar, plastic membrane, commission process, and reinforcement bar for column at short route 1, 2, and 3. That's all for summary of each week. Next, there are some challenges that I faced during my 8 week of industrial training. First, I learned to understand different terms used in construction site in local industries, which is differ from the book term. There are several terms which used in we call slang in Malaysia, which is different, such as the compactor machine, the vibrator machine, all different kind of terms. Time management is kind of hard to to manage because sometimes the workers tend to be late on site. Weather condition at Kabunti Taiping, the weather is always rainy, so on the rainy season, the work cannot be done and need to be extend time and delay the work. So this challenge is kind of hard, and workers' attitude. The foreign workers sometimes tend to get more tend to be more attitude because of different treatment towards them. Lesson learned. There are many things that I could learn during my time in this company. First, I will able to learn to calculate the volume of concrete on site, which is kind of similar to what we learn in UNM. Join inspection, the real life inspection before do the concreting, improve my communication skills, and learn to make correct estimation for everything on site. Okay, for discussion, there are three types needs to be discussed here. First, the safety issue, sustainability issue, and ethic issue. For safety issue, the workers seems to wear improper safety equipment. To overcome this issue, I suggest employer should provide complete proper personal protective equipment to each and every one of work to the worker who needs to enter the construction site. Second, the sustainability issue. The item used on the site, such as the temporary structure, formwork, scaffolding, and so on, placed in the proper place, which is open and exposed to the sun. Therefore, my suggestion is to provide a specific location to store the unused item to keep out from the exposure, to make sure the structure is can be last longer. And finally, ethic issues such as discrimination toward the foreign worker. Some foreign workers were treated with low respect because they are not from our local community. To overcome this issue, we need to report this issue toward the authority. As for the completion, after the completion of my industrial training, I can enhance my competencies and competitiveness in my area of specialization. I try to relate the experience in the workplace with knowledge learned in the institute and apply the knowledge on the job under supervision. I hope to explore and learn more things in the future in this industry. That's all from me. Thank you.